Hey guys, today we're going to talk about why buy is a really bad word to use in sales. So, I'm going to give you an example. Would you like to buy this? Okay, now the problem with using the word buy is that buy has got a negative word associated with it, which is cost. Nobody likes costs, nobody likes expenses, nobody likes the drain on money. So try something a little bit different, such as, how would you like to take this away with you? How would you like to own this? If it comes to food, maybe, would you like to come to our restaurant and enjoy this? These kind of words will not trigger the same emotional response in somebody which is negative, because the thing is, you think, maybe I do want to own this. You know, I can take on the whole of the Federation if I've got one of these babies. But all joking aside, when you're trying to sell something to somebody, yes, people do want to buy products, they do want to acquire these things. But when you're using a word like buy, there are negative connotations, and everybody nowadays is watching their wallet. So by crafting things a little bit better, how would you like to take this home with you, for example? These are really, really good ways to sell, because it's removing that transaction. If you own something, it's already yours. If you're taking it home with you, it's already yours. The sale is already being made without the block of the word buy. So you're just moving somebody through the sales process a lot easier. So the next time you consider saying, would you like to buy this? Try instead looking to use a different way, a different approach to sales. Try it out and see how it works for your business. Let me know in the comments. Anyway, you have a lovely day. Bye.